Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, March 17th. Futures chopping around break even at this point so far this morning, trying to hold on to positive territory. The good news, still positive on the week. All three U.S. markets looking to wrap up a very positive week. In fact, led by the NASDAQ. NASDAQ up more than 5% so far in the past 5 trading days here. So we'll look at maybe some tech strength coming through once again. 0.4 for the Dow right now, 0.24 for the S&P, downside for both. Still some question marks around the regional banking sector. FRC back to the downside in a big way this morning, about 12% in negative territory so far, even after that deal was made late yesterday. If you missed it, all the big banks participating in a $30 billion bailout of FRC. On the economic front this morning, put 10 o'clock on your radar. We have University of Michigan sentiment coming out at 10 a.m. A few other more minor data points coming through around 9:15 in the pre-market. That is how the NASDAQ is set to start the day. Huge green candle yesterday. Pretty impressive move for tech right across the board. We'll talk about all of them coming up here. That's the S&P. Yesterday it was AMD leading the chip stocks. Today, NVDA getting an upgrade from Morgan Stanley to overweight from neutral. There was also a note from Citigroup on NVIDIA this morning, so very positive for chip makers once again right across the board. The entire group in positive territory to start things off. FRC, however, not so much. Back to the downside despite that rescue deal yesterday. Again, all the big banks participating in a $30 billion lifeline for First Republic. We are lower here to start, though, about 12%, as I mentioned. Downside in the pre-market, XPeng, one of the final Chinese ADRs to come through with earnings. Downside this morning after Q4 revenue misses estimate. Nice look for crypto to start things off so far. BTC and Ethereum back above highs from early on in the week. So all the crypto-related stocks catching a nice bid so far this morning. Meta up on a positive note after a huge 3 days here on the daily chart. For Meta, another positive note for them coming up this morning. We had that latest round of job cuts, about 1,500 people losing their job yesterday, mainly in HR, they were saying, for Meta. There was this note as well, the FTC issuing an order to all social media platforms yesterday, including both Facebook and Instagram, for more data on, or more information on how they store data for ad targeting purposes. Microsoft, meanwhile, unveiling their latest version of ChatGPT-4, OpenAI's ChatGPT-4, now available also in India as well as of this morning. So you can pay the $20 a month fee to get ChatGPT-4. HSTO, little one moving this morning. There's also Chinese ADRs to the upside this morning, and ENZ up on a positive note for them as well. Make sure you grab the watch list, guys. QR code, bottom of the screen right now, will get you there. All you have to do is enter your email address. We send it to you for free every day. We're coming up at 8:30. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.